Hi everyone. Today I prepared laddu recipe for Lord Balaji. For this recipe, I bought ingredients from shop just now. Take a half kg of besan. I am measuring with cup. I am using all measurements with this cup only. Let's see how many cups it will come for half kg besan. Approximately it will come 2 cups. And 2 tablespoons is there. I will add this also. Add normal water, mix well. Add gradually like a boondi mixture. Mix with hand. Lumps will not form. Consistency should be like this. I am using here cow ghee, that is Nandini ghee, instead of oil, because of I am praying this laddu for Lord Venkateswara. Heat ghee on medium heat only. Prepare this recipe and add little bit. It will not come up, that means ghee not heated. Wait for few minutes, then again use boondi ladle and prepare boondi. Once bubbles are stopped, then we can take from ghee. Do not allow to golden color. Once fried, then take immediately. Do entire batter in this way only. If you have boondi ladle, it will be easy, or you can use any holes ladle. I will prepare for birthdays or any occasions at my home. I will prepare laddu. For that, I bought 2 ladles related to laddu. Entire batter completed. This much of boondi came for half kg besan. Then stove off. Then fry the raisins, approximately 75 to 80 grams. That heat only it will fry. Then add 100 grams of cashew. Then fry 1 or 2 minutes. It will change to golden color. Then add 2 cups of sugar, same cup I am using here. Then half cup of water. Mix well. I am using here nutmeg, half of the nutmeg. And 25 to 30 cardamom. Powder it. Our sugar syrup boiling. We need one string consistency, this sugar syrup. Check with it in water. Put 1 or 2 drops on water. Then it will string. If formed string, then stir up. Then add cardamom powder to our boondi. This is edible camphor. Crush it. Then add it to boondi. It will give super smell and very tasty and healthy. I am going to add here 1 cup of or 100 grams of crystal sugar. Then mix all dry ingredients. Now add sugar syrup. I am going to add 2 times this sugar syrup. Then mix entire boondi. This is the perfect measurement to prepare laddu. Now make laddu. Very easy. You can store this laddu for 1 month. Lord, pray with God. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give a like and comment. Thank you for watching. Let me try it.